everybody, a bit of a mix and match today. I've got myself some peppercorn sauce, Aldi, and some chip shop curry sauce from Aldi. They're new. Well, I got them a couple of weeks ago. They've been in the cupboard. I forgot all about them till till not long ago anyway. I think there was 85 pence each. Now, I've never seen them before with Aldi. They was in the middle aisle, so I don't know whether there's a special thing they was doing then. So we're going to do them, and I've also got some of these. Now I've seen these before, and I've never bought them because they're too expensive. Maris Piper chips, specially selected, £2.59p. Now, they're alright for convenience, but you can buy the Maris Piper potatoes for £1.45, I think they are. So, I prefer to buy the actual potatoes, but being as I've never tried them, I'm going to do them with some curry sauce. So let me show you what we're going to do all together. But as I say, what I'm going to do myself some chips with curry sauce. I'm going to do peppered steak, well, beef slices on a cob, and I'm going to dip it in some peppercorn sauce. If you remember that video I done when we went out for a meal a few weeks ago with that French dipping burger, I'm going to do that sort of thing with the peppercorn, see what it comes out like. So before we do anything else, we'll look at them in a minute. Let me get the chips in the air fryer because they'll be the first things that I'll need doing. Pay £2.59p, quite expensive. That's why I've never bought them before. I don't know if you can see that. I'll put my glasses on. Vegan friendly, says there, look. 133 calories per 100 gram is that. Fat, the salt, all that stuff. Directions for use. There's the ingredients, you want to have a look at that. You pause and do what you do. It's quite a big bag. What size bag is this? 1.5 kilo. I'm not doing them in the oven, I'm doing them in the air fryer. I'm not going to waste my time in the oven just for a few chips. Let's open them up anyway, and let's have a look inside. I mean, it is a big bag, look, quite big. That's how many chips you get when the bag's folded. There they are there, if you can see them. Get one out. Oh, all stuck together. There we go. Thick and chunky, ain't they? Yes. So first things first, then we're going to get them in the air fryer before we do anything else. So get my fry basket. You're not going to need a load of these. Look at the size of them, they're massive, ain't they? There's going to be 3 of us have a few of these, so I'll spread them out. We ain't going to need many, I know that much. Look. Get that in. There they are, that's them done. Nice and easy. We'll get them in the air fryer before we do anything else. Get it in there. There we go. What degrees does it say on here? 180 is it? 200 degrees. 200 degrees. And we'll whack it on for 20. There we go. They're cooking, nice and easy. Right, I've cut myself one red onion up, what them chips are doing. So I'm going to do my beef and onion. So I'm going to get my onion in my pan. I put some butter in already, melted. Lovely. Get my onions in. While them onions are frying up, I'm going to get me British pepper top side of beef, 5 slices. £2.9 I think it's right, if I can remember. I'm going to cut that into strips. There we go. We'll get a bit of brown sugar in there in a second. I think I'll put some in now actually. Just a teaspoon. A little bit more than that. 1.5 teaspoons, that'll do. Get that all mixed together. Right, what them onions are doing, I'll keep stirring them as we go. We'll have a look at these curries, this curry sauce and this peppercorn sauce. Right, curry sauce mix. I have already had a look, to be honest with you, and it's just like making gravy granules really. 50 calories, 60ml serving. There's your stuff there. Where's the nutrition and that? Ingredients, all that there, look. You can see it properly. They say it's 4 heaped dessert spoons, 40g of curry sauce granules into 250ml of boiling water, stir well and serve. So it's quite simple. Now, I've done that very back the other day, people saying dessert spoons and tablespoons, different measurements, and to be honest with you, I didn't even think, and you are right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure it on my scales, 40g this time, see if we can get it right. So there's the curry sauce, and here's the peppercorn sauce. Now we did have that one from, let's give them a stir. We did have that one from Aldi the other day, and that was quite nice. It was a bit spicy, but it was nice. Same here, 52 calories, 63 gram. There's all your nutritions and what's what. Let's have a look, have a pause and do what you do. And that's the same. 40g, 250ml of boiling water, stir well and serve. So they're really simple, aren't they? But we'll do them in a minute, because we'll do them last. Right, onions are done. Looking nice, look at them. We'll put them to one side. And I'm going to fry my beef slices. Just for a minute or two. Right, I've got myself a measuring jug. Turn that on. Grams. So we want 40g of this curry one. Let's open it up. If I can. That's it there. Oh, smells very curry. Want 40g of this. £40, dead on. We'll take that one off and we'll do the peppercorn sauce. We'll open this one up. There's the peppercorn one. Doesn't really smell of much, that one. And 40g of peppercorn sauce. Right, I'll boil the kettle. We'll get some water in. Right, the beef slices are done. The onions are done. Now we want the chips. Have got about a minute left. So I'm trying to get everything right at the right time. So I'm 250ml of this. Let's turn it around there so I can see the numbers. It says make up 250ml. Which is about there, and stir for the peppercorn sauce. I can't really smell a lot though. Well, there's that one, and the curry sauce as well. Was that 250ml as well? Did it say 250ml? Turn around so I can see it. There we go. And we'll give this one a stir. Okay, there it is. Can you see that? Chips are done. It's a little bit runnier than I like. Not a lot, just a little bit. Right, I'm going to dish everything up now. I'm just going to toast my buns in the toaster. Nice and simple, you don't need me to show you them, do you? Right, I've toasted my bun. I'm going to get some beef slices on. I'm not going to put any cheese on or anything. And I'm going to get some onions on tap. That's that one, nice and simple. Looks delicious. Get the chips out and I'll show you the chips, and the chips look really nice. There's the chips, look. They look very nice, don't they? Show you one. So we'll get a handful of them on. The curry sauce, it's thickened up a bit now. I'm going to drop it out on the side. I'm not going to pour it over, just in case I don't like it. Looks very thick. And the peppercorn, I'm going to stick in a bowl and I'm going to dip it in. Right, taste test time. Right, I'm up the table. Let me show you first. There you go. I've only put a bit of curry sauce on, just in case I don't like it. I don't want to ruin it. There's the chips. They're looking lovely. And there's the burger. The beef and onion. Lovely. And there's the peppercorn. I'm going to put a bit of salt on it. And that's scoffing hers. Looking good, isn't it, you bab? Got a mouthful. Right, so let's try one of these chips on its own first. I'd say you just let me salt it. I don't have vinegar. Soft and soft inside, a bit of a crunch on the outside. They're quite nice chips, them. They need to be for the price. £2.59, I think. Let's try a bit of this curry sauce then. What do you think of that curry sauce? That's eating hers, yeah? Is it nice? There's the curry sauce. Oh, that's not bad, is it, that? That's not bad. Oh yeah, I like that curry sauce. That's nice. I'm going to put some more of that on my chips. Oh yes, I'll put some of that on my chips now. I know I like it. Oh yes. And there's the peppercorn. I'll have a little taste of it first, just in case I don't want to ruin the burger. It's quite thick. There's no spice to it or nothing. Just a burger in it. Oh yes. I can't really taste that peppercorn sauce. It's not very... Got a little bit of pepper, but it hasn't got a lot. I mean, if you like peppercorn sauce mild, that's probably do ya. That one I had the other day, what with a chip and curry. That one we had the other day, or last week, whenever it was, that was really spicy. Yeah, you can taste the pepper, but you can't taste a bit of spice in it. But for 85p, that's quite nice. And I suppose you get quite a few portions out of that, wouldn't you? Yeah, it's 160 gram. Oh, nearly dropped it all. And you get a... So yeah, you 40 gram a time, wouldn't you? So you get, what, 5 portions or something, wouldn't you? 4 or 5 portions out of that. You'd probably get more than that, wouldn't you? Obviously that's per person, but no, you wouldn't have that per person, because I wouldn't have all that on myself. But anyway, there we go, something nice and simple. I'm going to go and eat it now, a bit of curry on it. Put a bit of both on. You want to try this peppercorn sauce, Bab? No. That's not very well today. It's not coming on. Yeah, that peppercorn isn't the best. It isn't the best. But I'd buy it again anyway, because I'd have it in the cupboard and it'd be handy. And I'll definitely buy that curry sauce as well. It's very sweet though. And it that curry sauce, innit? You couldn't have loads, could you? No. Anyway, there we go. I'm going to go and eat it. As I say, I am the old food guy. Just something simple today. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Before I go, is it better than Mayflower? No way. Nowhere near as good as Mayflower, but look how convenient it was. 40 gram, bit of water out of the kettle, and it's done. Right, I've just ate all that. Now, my afterthoughts. Them chips were absolutely lovely. I wouldn't pay £2.59p for them. I wouldn't do it, out of principle. I bought the spuds. But they are really, really nice. I'm not too keen on that. I've had a little bit, that's all. It's a bit too bland for me. But the curry sauce I like, but it is very sweet. It's nice as a dip. I put it all over my chips and it became a bit too sweet, if you know what I mean. So if you had that, I'd have it on the side, or thinning it out a bit, I suppose. But apart from that, yeah, quite enjoyable. So that's just my final thoughts. What do you think your final thoughts, sweetheart?
It's nice. I'm not too keen on the...
Not too keen on the curry?
On the curry sauce, I think it's a bit sweet.
It's very sweet, isn't it? It is very sweet.
It's nice just
but
putting your chips in.
For 85p,
yeah, you can't moan for 85p.
And you make it like gravy.
Yeah, you can't moan at that because it's convenient.
And if you wanted some instantly, it's there, isn't it? You know what I mean?
I suppose you could sprinkle some...
But I wouldn't put it all over your chips and that, all over your food, would you? Because
No,
it'd be too much, wouldn't it?
It's too much sweet
Yeah.
rice, but I really don't like peppercorn sauce. I tried it for the first time the other week.
Yeah, it's nothing like that. That's nothing like that.
No, I'm not keen on it, but...
No. Anyway, there we go. Final thoughts.
The chips were nice.
Chips were lovely, weren't they? Chips were really nice.
But I wouldn't pay that
But I wouldn't pay £2.59 for them. I'd just buy a bag of Mary's Piper Spuds. They got them up Aldi at the minute for £1.49.
The curry sauce is...
But they're convenient in the freezer, aren't they?
Yeah, the curry sauce is convenient and cheap.
It's convenient and cheap if you want something to dip your chips in or something,
A little bit sweet. And my sandwich was lovely.
And the sandwich was lovely, which we know that, like we've had them before.
Yep.
There we go anyway. See you later. Just final thoughts. Bye.